Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Guizar Panduro. I'm from
third semester.
To make a quick video explaining my experience during Mun Video. First, I'm going to quickly explain how the two topics for my committee were related with human rights. My committee, first of all, was FIFA, and the topics that we talked about were the European Super League affiliation and the acts of corruption in Qatar World Cup. The first impression hearing those kind of topics is football. But actually, they can be easily related to human rights. The first topic can be related with human rights, taking into account the point of view of the football players. Because they will stop playing, working, they will stop competing, something that in their situations might not be restricted. Taking into account the second topic, in the point of view of the tourists, by the World Cup being in an Arab country, they should have to follow some restrictions that the country imposed of them, even if they don't want to. Those are some clear examples that the topics are related to human rights. Now, I'm going to describe and compare my experience listening to other delegations' proposals, how we came to an agreement and resolution at the end. I liked hearing the proposals of other delegations because I got to know the positions of other different countries that bind. Coming up with a resolution was hard because of all the different opinions of the countries. After being dialoguing for more, no joking, 5 or 6 hours, by hearing the other positions of countries, without noticing, you start making alliances, and then only after that it is possible to come up with a resolution. It requires some patience and a lot of attention. Now, I am going to explain quickly my positions of the topics in comparison of my delegation that was South Africa. I just want to mention very quickly that South Africa was not really involved in the problems because South Africa is located in another continent. In the first topic about the FIFA and the ban events, I was completely agree with my delegation that was in favor of the FIFA, because the events of the Super League will only be benefiting the best teams, and I think that's not right and that's not fair. Now, about the second topic, I wasn't in favor of South Africa because clearly they choose Qatar as a base of headquarters.